Employment law issues need immediate attention. Waiting is not an option. That's why ComplianceHR assigns your organization a dedicated client success manager and support team from day one. With their support, your personalized platform of compliance solutions is set up quickly and made available to your identified users for immediate use. From there, your client success manager will guide you and your team through the best ways to simplify what can often be a complicated compliance program using our solutions. With fast implementation, live training options, insights on industry trends, and ongoing support, your organization will be equipped to address pressing employment law issues right away. Our solutions cut through the complexity of compliance so your team can focus on what matters most, protecting your business and supporting your people. Don't wait until compliance becomes a crisis. Connect with us today and discover how quickly ComplianceHR can help you take control of employment law challenges.